What's the difference between a bad outcome and malpractice? The bottom line is, healthcare providers are not the guarantors of a particular outcome. In medicine, negative outcomes often occur which are not related to incidents of malpractice. Sometimes people who seek medical treatment are automatically at high risk for poor outcomes due to an underlying condition. These conditions may worsen, result in other complications, or may not be treatable. A poor outcome after a medical treatment or procedure, in and of itself, is not malpractice. Determining medical malpractice may seem difficult, but it is actually rather simple to understand. Think of it like a car accident. It's easy to determine who was at fault when someone breaks a rule of the road, such as running a stop sign or traffic light, causing an accident. In medicine, the rules of the road are called standards of care. These standards are developed across all fields of medical practice and represent what a reasonable and prudent healthcare provider would do under similar circumstances. The standard of care is not the highest level of care or best practices, but a baseline of acceptable medical conduct. When these standards are not met and a patient is harmed, it becomes easier to identify medical malpractice. In medical malpractice litigation, establishing the standard of care almost always requires one or more expert witnesses. These experts draw from their experience, peer-reviewed publications, and recommendations by professional societies to define what the standard of care should be. To put it simply, there are three elements to proving a medical malpractice case. First, the healthcare provider owed a duty of care to the patient. Second, the healthcare provider breached this duty by violating the standard of care. Third, this violation directly resulted in injury to the patient. If you have questions about whether your serious injury may be due to medical malpractice, our legal team at Van Way, Metzler, and Williams is here to help. We invite you to use the link below to contact us today for a consultation. Our experienced attorneys are ready to evaluate your case and guide you through the legal process.